Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on the Samsung Galaxy A54. And to do this you need to open a Google Play Store. Inside find app called Microsoft Edge and select install. When it's ready, click on the open. Here we can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it with sign in later. Accept or disagree with a data sharing preference. And lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And from here you can begin browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.